Dear students, I'm your teacher from Government Girls High School, Wilgam, once again present in an offline class for you for your subject Social Science Class 8th. You know that presently we are dealing the geography part of social science. My topic these days is industries of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. In previous lessons, I told you the basic things, the necessary things about this topic. And in the previous lesson, immediate previous lesson, I told you that after independence, the industrial sector of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh got a due attention, and then there we have handicrafts and cottage industries, forest-based industries, agro-based industries, mineral industries, and tourism industries. This I have told in previous class to you, shared with you. Today I am going to tell you about handicrafts and cottage industries, something about them. Handlooms, when we say. This industry plays an important role in the economic development and helpful in job opportunities of Jammu and Kashmir. Products in this industries are blankets, lois, patus, rafal, khadi, pashmina, silk, etc. Several handloom and powerloom units are in and around Srinagar that produce pattu and tweeds, etc. Handicrafts. Ancient and medieval rulers patronized this industry, which developed at the time of Zainul Abidin. At current time, a great part of population is involved in this work and is getting good economic benefits. Kashmiri handicrafts comprises the making of quilins, paper mache, etc. It's very famous. Then there is carpet making industry. This industry is the gift of Central Asia through caravans. The goods are greatly priced all over the world with great demand, mainly in Middle East and Europe, where most of the goods are exported. Workers found in the districts of Kashmir and around the city of Srinagar. Kangri making, paper mache. I have told you about this already in previous lessons. Pashmina shawl industry. About this, I will tell you something now. This industry is connected and concentrated in Kashmir and regions of Ladakh. Popular varieties of shawl that manufactured here are shahtus, ring shawl, jamawar, kani jama, and this Pashmina shawl industry. Then there is silverware and imitation jewelry. Teapots, cups, saucers, tumblers, boxes, trays, decoration items, etc. are main articles of production by the imitate jewelry or silverware industry. We here have the great skill involved, the work of skill and craft that is required for this. Then There is silk industry. About this, I have told you in the previous class last day. So this was a brief introduction, brief information about the various handicrafts and cottage industries of the Union territories of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. Dear students, I hope that connecting these all offline classes, you will sum up the information that's needed for you by the examination point of view, and this will also enrich your knowledge for social science. I hope that you will genuinely connect it, listen it again and again, and try to understand things for your necessary usage. This is sufficient for you in this class. I hope that you may have got the clues, brother, that I shared with you. You can elaborate it, you can mix things with it, more information, and so that making it more and more beautiful, you will go ahead. My blessings are with you, wishing you a bright future and a nice day ahead. I am leaving you this time. Inshallah, we will meet once again till we are finishing our work. God bless you. Thank you.